A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science, exercises, set 9a. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
In which of the following activities is used for silicon carbide? Letter A, making casts for statues. Letter B, making cement and glass. Letter C, disinfecting water of ponds. Letter D, cutting very hard substances. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter D, cutting very hard substances. Silicon carbide is used for cutting very hard substances. Silicon carbide, also recognized as carborundum, is a semiconductor containing silicon and carbon. It transpires in nature as the extremely rare mineral moissanite. Synthetic SiC powder has been mass-produced since 1893 for use as an abrasive. What is the average salinity of seawater? Letter A, 2%. Letter B, 2.5%. Letter C, 3%. Letter D, 3.5%. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the letter D, 3.5%. The average salinity of seawater is 3.5%. The average salinity is approximately 35 parts per thousand. Stated in another way, about 3.5% of the weight of seawater comes from the dissolved salts. What happens to the weight of the iron nail when rusted? Letter A, with a decrease in the weight of the nail. Letter B, with an increase in the weight of the nail. Letter C, without any change in the weight of the nail. Letter D, without any change in color or weight of the nail. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, with an increase in the weight of the nail. When an iron nail gets rusted, iron oxide is formed with an increase in the weight of the nail. Rust is an iron oxide, a usually reddish-brown oxide formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in the catalytic presence of water or air moisture. Rust consists of hydrous iron, 3, oxides and iron, 3, oxide hydroxide, and is typically associated with the corrosion of refined iron. What coating do the galvanized iron sheets have? Letter A, tin. Letter B, zinc. Letter C, lead. Letter D, chromium. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, zinc. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of zinc. Zinc is a chemical component with the symbol Zn and atomic number 30. Zinc is a lightly brittle metal at room temperature and has a silvery grayish appearance when oxidation is removed. It is the leading element in group 12 of the periodic table. What differs from all other elements is the atom. Letter A, atomic number and electronic configuration. Letter B, atomic number and number of valence electrons. Letter C, number of neutrons and electronic configuration. Letter D, number of neutrons and number of valence electrons. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, atomic number and electronic configuration. Atoms of an element differ from those of all other elements in atomic number and electronic configuration. An atom is the smallest unit of regular matter that forms a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is comprised of neutral or ionized atoms. Atoms are extremely small, typically around 100 picometers across. What cause of nuclear fission? Letter A, proton. Letter B, electron. Letter C, neutron. Letter D, deuteron. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, neutron. Nuclear fission is caused by the impact of neutron. The neutron is a subatomic particle, symbol N, or N, which has a neutral charge, and a mass slightly greater than that of a proton. Protons and neutrons constitute the nuclei of atoms. Which of the following choices of rays are more penetrating? Letter A, X-rays. Letter B, beta rays. Letter C, alpha rays. Letter D, gamma rays. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, gamma rays. Among the following choices of rays, the more penetrating are the gamma rays. A gamma ray, also identified as gamma radiation, is a penetrating form of electromagnetic radiation arising from the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei. It consists of the shortest wavelength electromagnetic waves and so imparts the highest photon energy. How many colors the sunlight spectrum has? Letter A, 5. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 7. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, 7. The colors the sunlight spectrum has is 7. A spectrum is a situation that is not limited to a specific set of values but can vary, without steps, across a continuum. The word was first used scientifically in optics to describe the rainbow of colors in visible light after passing through a prism. The paper is manufactured by what components? Letter A, wood and resin. Letter B, wood and bleaching powder. Letter C, wood, sodium, and bleaching powder. Letter D, wood, calcium, hydrogen sulfide, and resin. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, wood, calcium, hydrogen sulfide, and resin. Paper is manufactured by wood, calcium, hydrogen sulfide, and resin. Paper is a thin sheet material produced by mechanically or chemically processing cellulose fibers derived from wood, rags, grasses, or other vegetable sources. Why does gypsum is added to cement clinker? Letter A. Bind the particles of calcium silicate. Letter B. Facilitate the formation of colloidal gel. Letter C. Decrease the rate of setting of cement. Letter D. Increase the tensile strength of cement. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Decrease the rate of setting of cement. Gypsum is added to cement clinker to decrease the rate of setting of cement. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral comprised of calcium sulfate dihydrate, with the chemical formula CaSO 42H2O. It is generally mined and is used as a fertilizer and as the main constituent in many forms of plaster, blackboard/sidewalk chalk, and drywall. What sodium or potassium salts are the mixture of soap? Letter A. Glycerol. Letter B. Dicarboxylic acids. Letter C. Tricarboxylic acids. Letter D. Monocarboxylic acids. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Monocarboxylic acids. Soap is a mixture of sodium or potassium salts of monocarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acids are molecules with one COOH working group. They are vulnerable acids, which can lose a proton, or diprotonate, from carboxylate ions. They are dissolvable in water if they have fewer than 5 carbons. They have a higher boiling point than water because they form dimers. What type of glass used in making lenses and prisms? Letter A. Soft glass. Letter B. Flint glass. Letter C. Jenna glass. Letter D. Pyrex glass. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Flint glass. The type of glass used in making lenses and prisms is flint glass. Flint glass is optical glass that has a relatively high refractive index and low Abbe number. Flint glasses are arbitrarily defined as having an Abbe number of 50 to 55 or less. The currently known flint glasses have refractive indices ranging between 1.45 and 2.00.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science, exercises, set 9a. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.